Unexpected encounters between police officers and wild animals were captured entirely on Bodycam footage. From bears and alligators to some of the most dangerous animals, you won't believe what happens next. Join us in Police versus Wild Animals. Sharky, Bodycam captures everything. This is definitely the strangest chase I've ever seen. The suspect has 4 legs, so the advantage is clearly on its side. In Florida, anything can happen. Seeing an alligator taking a stroll down the street is almost like running into a neighbor.
Dude, hey, goat.
When you sneak out of the house but get caught by the police halfway down the road, what crime do you think this goat committed to get read its Miranda rights? Leave your funniest answer in the comments below.
You're one bad mamma jamma.
What I love most is that Bentley was finally reunited with his family. A truly heartwarming ending.
You coming? Come on, buddies. You okay? You need help? Come on. Hi. Hi. You coming? Come on.
I am so glad you guys called, though. So let's
It was probably exhausted by then.
walk out here. Oh, come on. Yeah, you were just trying to hunker down even more in there.
Oh yeah, now he's out of the rocks.
This is the first.
It's truly moving to see police officers, staff members, and volunteers racing against time together to save these innocent lives.
Pull the chain. Go, come way up. Come on, get up.
Situations like this show the importance of coordination between rescue teams. Even a slight delay can be extremely dangerous.
You good? Yeah.
A police service dog is not just a working tool, but also a member of a police officer's family.
Come on, let's get it.
Yeah, didn't she?
Kimo?
Yeah, she's a police dog.
Hi. We were helping look for you too. Your mom was all scared. She didn't know where you were.
The little dog must have been very scared and uncomfortable. It's such a relief to see it safely rescued.
Get him in my car.
down. I will put you right here, Fred.
My car's open. That's a good thing. Come on. Get in. That's a good dog.
In many cases, aggressive animals are simply panicked or misunderstood. The way police handle the situation is very important.
Come on.
Hey, buddy.
You got water? Come here, boy. Come here, boy.
Oh.
Easy.
Oh.
Easy.
Oh.
Easy.
He's up.
Easy. Got him right off.
I never thought I'd see a chase involving an emu right in the middle of a city. Animal control work is definitely not simple. It always comes with unexpected situations. Looking into the dog's eyes is truly heartbreaking. I hope they will soon have a better life. The way the officers coordinated to rescue the dog was highly professional, with no hesitation despite the dangerous situation.
Rouser, we got the dog out.
If you saw a 9-foot alligator near your house, what would you do first? Watching the alligator being loaded onto the truck is both tense and impressive, showing the professionalism of the response team.
Push the gator, not the trapper.
If you encountered an animal stuck like this, what do you think is the best approach? Try to help it yourself or call rescue services immediately. The bear was probably just panicking. Fortunately, no one was injured.
Or maybe you will go to sleep after a while. A few hours.
We got. Good boy. All right. Woo.
For the third out of the train, he's been tranquilized to find what that.
beautiful snake. He is pretty.
You're like, I'm staying away.
The snake looked scary, but it was only defending itself. Fortunately, it was handled safely. Oh no, that smell is basically a biological weapon.
Keep going, push it this way.
Oh, and we got a little...
It's a mad copperhead.
In this area, you really have to stay alert at all times because wildlife can appear right next to residential neighborhoods. In such cold weather, they still didn't hesitate to save a life truly admirable. The snake even ignored the no trespassing warning, but it's clear it wasn't easy to handle at all. These are some of the most intense and unbelievable moments between police officers and wild animals, all captured on camera. If you enjoy realistic body cam footage like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next episodes.